Let's put it together. Stick it in. This is 2014 Subaru Forester. It's an Android radio. The sound doesn't work, so we're gonna find out. We already have the radio out, so I'm just going to briefly explain to you how it comes out. Radio comes out fairly simple. First thing you're going to do is remove this front dashboard. No special tools, you just need a panel popper. Start it from the top or the bottom. Pry out this. Underneath, the 4 screws holding onto the radio. Remove the screws, radio comes out, disconnect the harnesses. The new radio comes with T harnesses. You just plug it in, whatever it fits, antenna adapter. This is the rear speaker wires, that's the front speakers along with the power and ground right here. And if you have a backup cam steering wheel control, that goes over here. Again, it's made for different cars, different models. So whatever the plug that plugs in, plug it in. Whatever don't plug in, don't worry about it. You don't need to worry about it. This is a CAN bus. In order to program, you got to give it the name of the module. This is a CAN bus module brand name. It says simple. This one is simple. So if you need to go to the programming mode, you got to give a simple as the brand name of the CAN bus module. Then you can change whatever settings that need to be changed. The new radio obviously doesn't come with the air vent, so you're going to remove the air vent along with your hazard switch. To remove this, there are locking clips, one here, one there, and 2 on the top. Bend away, comes out, stick it into the new bezel. Same thing over here, and push this hazard switch. This hazard switch, they give you an adapter for it. So if you have this kind, you're going to use this one. This has only one switch, so we are using that. It comes with the screws, so you put the screws to lock in place. Okay.
Cuando valga, porque el único que lo tira.
Let's make sure everything works. This one has Harman Kardon audio system, which means it has an external amp. You got to connect that. It comes with amp turn-on wire for control right here. Sometimes it doesn't work too well. It's better to hook it up to the ignition, so we're going to hook it up to the red wire. One is aux in. Put on the front output if you want to. Let's tape this on.
Okay. That's it.
Let's tape it. It's neat. It's alive. You always think about the future. Yes, neat. What is wrong with you guys?
Nothing.
He said he's gonna go see a doctor Saturday. What is wrong with him? What's more important than his health?
He's looking.
plug into the back of the radio. There is a CAN bus. You should connect that white wire.
This has a backup one? Bilhin sama natin.
No, the CAN goes up here. It's on the mirror.
This is how connection.
Yeah, it goes on the mirror.
Ay, napansin
Oh no, it was a different car. Oh no, it was up here. Oh, so we don't need it.
Yeah.
So these don't work, so we're gonna see if we can program it.
No. This has cameras.
Yeah, it's
Guys,
simple.
What is the code for
The code is 8888. Protocol.
Forest?
Nope, that's the first. Yes.
Simple. It's so. I gotta update.
You gotta open up your hotspot on your cell phone. Update the firmware since it's not working. Looks like it is selected, it's not working. So what you do is open up the hotspot, connect the Wi-Fi to your hotspot. The firmware will be updated. Updating the firmware. Volume up. Okay. Volume down. So you select the button that
Next.
you want to program.
Preview. Okay.
Mode,
Mode. Horizon.
call.
Mode. Voice.
No.
Voice.
How about
Hang up.
hang up?
Hang up. Answer. Voice.
Okay, save.
Go.
So once you update the firmware, you go into the steering wheel programming, and you should be able to program steering wheel control. Everything seems to be working. Let's try the CarPlay. Oh yeah, of course it's CarPlay. Where is it? There's
Yeah, what's that?
okay. With Z-Link 5. That is a CarPlay Android Auto. No, let's try the Bluetooth first. Where is the Bluetooth? Bluetooth. Some radios you gotta hit the Bluetooth icon to pair. Very good. Not good. Turn it off and turn it back on. No?
Maybe.
What is this? Wow, we delete this. You can't delete it either.
Oh, you know what? The customer's here.
Yeah, but
He's going to spell.
is it?
Yeah, let
Oh,
me
okay.
erase that. So why you don't show? Okay, let me. I got.
I got it now.
Yeah, he's my last pay already.
Okay, let's go now. It works. So, hold them up. Today's weather.
In Hillside, it'll be sunny with a high of 83 and a low of 64. Currently, it's 74 and sunny.
Everything works.
Could and make things move.